friends, get into their world. Friends, do you know this, that when kids are given the respect that they deserve, they are more likely to obey our requests. Now, I want you to imagine this situation, friends. Let's say your kid is so busily engrossed in drawing with watercolors and she seems to be lost in her activity. And that's when you call her to come for lunch. What do you think are the chances that the child will listen to what you said and would come immediately to you? Zero, right? Now here, instead of scolding her, losing your cool and yelling at her, you can actually walk to her and comment on her work. You can say something like this: "Hi darling, I see that you're enjoying your coloring session. I came actually to call you for dinner. Do you want to come now or do you want to come after 10 minutes? When you say that, the kid doesn't feel compelled or disrespected. And there are high chances that the kid would obey you without you losing your cool and without yelling in the given scenario. And the best part, my friends, when you go to kids and when you first show interest in what they are doing, that would be a great opportunity for you to connect with them at an emotional level. And remember this, my friends, that when you are connected, you are likely to get rewarded with a more cooperative behavior from kids. Friends, don't you think so that this method is far more peaceful than we barking from across the room for them to do something? My dear parents, I want you to remember this important phrase: connection before correction, right?